Okay, we have a second car pulling up. Raise your hand if you think it's white. Raise your hand if you think it's black. Second car, it's black. All right, so first we had pulling up beside us a white car. Now we have pulling up beside us a black car. Isn't that interesting? That's the white car that pulled up beside us. The occupant never got out of it. There's the black car. Now, of course, black and white are the colors we're being gang stalked by. That's kind of interesting, isn't it? That as we're walking on this street, first a white car would pull up beside us, and then a black car would pull up beside us, and we're being gang stalked by white and black cars. I think that's a coincidence. Come here, Doggy. Come here. Over here. What a coincidence. We're walking on Oak Avenue. First a white car pulls up beside us and then a black car. Coincidentally, I'm being gang stalked by people in white and black cars. Go the quick way. Now,